Okay, everyone, I'm gonna do a quick little food review for you guys. So that way you guys could, like, see what's good out here in San Diego, because I don't know what's good out here. Maybe you guys do, but I don't. So we got main chick hot chicken, and I got the combo number 3 spicy. So let's see how it is. Yes, no pickles. No pickles. So it does come with fries, and my combo came with 2 sandwiches. And it also came, I got this ranch extra. I got 1 extra sauce. So it comes with 2 sauces already. So I asked for 1 more because I didn't know how much it would come with. And it got spicy, so let's see how it is. So presentation wise, honestly, it's a pretty small sandwich. And I thought there'd be coleslaw. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna try it right now without the sauce. With just medium? Oh shit, spicy, holy shit. I got a little bit.
The fries too, it's on the fries.
Oh damn, that thing is spicy. I haven't taken a bite. I'm scared now, y'all. I just got like a little bit of some breadcrumbs on my finger, and I just like licked it, and I instant heat. Okay, all right, I'm excited now.
Do you have this sauce?
I have my sauce. Yo. Woo! So they have 4 flavors. They have 4 flavors. Naked, mild, medium, and spicy. Okay. It's spicy, but it's going away. It's good. I just wish it had some coleslaw. Okay. I'm gonna try the sauce, because we call it MC sauce. Oh, that's pretty good. Gotta put in a sauce. My chicken sandwich. Okay. The sauce does tone out a lot of the spiciness, but overall it's good. It's very delicious. I was not expecting that. I was like, spicy. Probably not gonna be that spicy, but I feel like if you go in store and get it in person, they probably have a spicier level than spicy that they make you sign a waiver for. I don't know. I'm just guessing, but it's pretty delicious. So it has nice seasoning. Did they put the seasoning on the fries too?
I think so.
Oh, that's pretty good. You don't get that a lot. This is a great meal. No complaints. If you are in San Diego, if you are near SeaWorld or the San Diego Zoo, not Safari Zoo, that's regular San Diego Zoo, I recommend you guys go to Main Chick Hot Chicken, because this is fuego, baby. You like how I did that, huh? Okay. But yeah, that is all, guys. I'm enjoying my meal. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little clip that I did for you guys. Nothing too big, nothing too major. Again, I do wish it had some coleslaw on it, but I'm okay. Huh?
That's separate.
Oh, it's separate?
That was close up, but it's separate.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Before I go, guys, can I try your mac and cheese? She got some mac and cheese, y'all. You know it's good when you're... Okay, so the mac and cheese is like a white cheddar mac and cheese, different. Usually, when you think mac and cheese, you get the yellow mac and cheese, but they got the white cheddar, so very creamy. Mmm. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like Pollo Loco mac and cheese, but just white cheddar. Not bad, but nothing like extraordinary. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm out. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.